Undoubtedly the most refined of the 60s generation DBs, the distinguished DB6 Mk2 importantly offered more comfortable seating, a lighter clutch and power steering, allowing the use of wider wheels and tyres, which in turn gave greater levels of grip and better road holding than the earlier series of DB6. The last of a generation, the 6 Mk2 had a production life of just 1 year, with just over 240 examples constructed before making way for DBS production. The Mark II we're offering, originally built with the ill-fated Brico fuel injection, was like all Mark IIs, subsequently converted in period to carburettors, in this instance to Weber carburettors, Vantage specification, and like many fitted with the DBS type 5-speed ZF transmission. Well maintained over the years, at 57,000 miles, a complete chassis and body restoration was commissioned and carried out between 2010 and 11. Works included replacement steel sections to the chassis and restoration to the aluminium body, including bare metal repainting. Further, a complete engine rebuild to 4.2 litre lead-free specifications, a suspension rebuild with uprated components, and fitment of refrigerated air conditioning and associated insulation has been completed, all within the last 4 years. All restorative works, including the engine rebuild and subsequent maintenance, has been carried out by highly respected Aston Martin specialists and meticulously recorded, leaving the car in the highly desirable specification and condition as presented here. Believed to be displaying its original and total mileage of just 65,000 miles, a substantial number of MOT certificates and invoices are presented within the well-documented history file supporting the recorded mileage. Originally finished in burnt almond, the Cumberland Grey paintwork is exceptional and highly complementary to the delightfully patinated tan hide interior. This particular example of the subtly elegant, powerful, practical and rare DB6 Mk2 is one of the finest we've had the pleasure of offering, is worthy of inclusion in any collection and ready to be enjoyed on any tour.